Oh, geometry boys, this is just wonderful. This is the second to last section, and I love this section. I've always loved this section because it just seems so brutally easy to me. And I think it will to you too. And it's just like, wow, at the very end of the book, we're going to get something so nice and easy. It's the equation for a circle. So the equation for the circle is listed right here, where this H and K are the center, and the R is the radius. So notice there's subtraction. I just want to point that out. And notice in the equation, the radius gets squared. So you don't just put the radius in there, you put the radius in there and square it. So, the basic questions here are write the equation of a circle. And then when it's written in the right form, we can pull information out, which we'll do at the end of this, which is fun. Okay, so our equation, I'm just going to write the equation because it's so hard to read up there. I want you to see it. So you literally are plugging in. This is your H, this is your K, this is your R. X minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 6 squared. You are almost done. The only thing you have to do is rewrite it and square that. You can square it at the beginning too. I just wanted you to see what I was doing. That's it. You don't do anything else with this because you want to leave it in the right form of a circle so you can pull out that center and radius real easily. Okay, so if I were you, I'd pause the video and try B. Okay, I'm going to work through this. Oh, I hope you guys love math as much as I do. It's so much fun. I put everything in there so you can make sure you didn't make little mistakes, like the subtraction here actually becomes a plus. I still leave it in that form, and a square root squared leaves you with a 2. All right, and the next one, what's the standard equation of a circle with this and a center of this that passes through this point? Okay, so the first part is easy enough. We can plug this in, x minus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared. But the radius we don't have. How are we going to get? That's right, I got my center, and I got a point on it. So I can use the distance formula. Negative 1 squared plus 3 minus 1 squared. Hopefully you guys remember that. 5 squared is 25. 4. So I get that. Hopefully that distance formula is pretty well etched in your heads now. That's what my goal is. And remember, we're going to put, this is the distance from the center to the point on the circle. So this is your radius. Well, now what I got to put in here is radius squared. So when I take square root of 29 squared, I just get that. Done. And now you do the opposite. So you look at the equation and pull out the information. First thing you check is, are they both subtractions? Yes, so I can just pull the numbers out. You don't take the subtraction with it or the negative sign. My center is 2, 3. And what's the radius, class? If you said 100, you're wrong, but I know that all 3 of you said 10. That's right, square root of it. And graph it. First, you want to put your center. And then radius of 10, so you can go out 10. So this is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it was 2 here, so we go 8 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to go up 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And down 10, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there we go. You can use a compass instead of good old Mrs. Silva's way and get a nice perfect circle. All right. Hope you have a great day, boys. One more section. Bye-bye.